YouTube, what's going on? I got a Vortex Chain and Sprocket kit in my backpack. Gonna get this POS off, all of it replaced. It's gonna ride like a bat out of hell. I got the one down in the front, two up in the rear, better acceleration, because I feel like I can use it to my advantage. I feel like it'd be a little bit better for me, honestly. But that's where I'm headed right now, so stick around. So, I got my chain and sprocket kit locally. I don't know how many of you have used or know of Vortex Racing, but they are like pretty top in the chain and sprocket industry for sport bikes and off-road. I got my kit from them. I think it was like 180 bucks, so not too bad. I don't have time. I'm super busy this week to even think about getting or doing it myself, so I'm taking it to a local place called Moto Station. So that's where I'm gonna be taking it. But first, I gotta stop and get some e-juice. So I'll catch you in a second. All right, we're back. Gotta put my juice in my buck. Now, I gotta go get some cash for Moto Station to do my chain and sprockets. Like I said, I would do it myself. First time doing it, and I'm sure I could figure it out, but I ain't trying to mess it up. Plus, I'm super busy. Oh, you're cool, bud. One day, somehow I'll be able to flip a Yui right now. Almost there, almost there. Might die for me, but I'm almost there. And yeah, and I made it. 5-0, don't blink. Or don't breathe. Well, here we are, guys. It's all done. You can't see the front, but that's the black chain, the black sprocket. Looks pretty good. Looks new. But I'm excited about it. So let's. This is gonna be my first ride. I haven't even been on it yet. So let's hop on and we will see how she rides. Oh my God. That feels so much better. That's amazing. Wow. Crazy the difference. Wow. That's nuts, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's crazy. That feels so nice. Like, I didn't think I would be able to tell that much. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. It's crazy. It's beautiful. It's seriously beautiful. I need to wash this now. I seriously can't wait. Oh my God, it sounds so much better! Oh my God. This is beautiful. Oh! So worth the money, dude. So much low end power. Holy shit. This much traffic for realsies? On a day like this, it has to be 95 outside. I get stuck in traffic, and there's no fucking lane splitting in Utah, so that's great. So my bike's just gonna get like super hot, and I'm gonna die of heat. It's not like I can go fucking very far. I'm so stoked about this though. So far so good as a review. I mean, the throttle response is better, it sounds better. My bike, I can feel more power, and it, like, you can tell the difference from, I don't even know what kind of chain that was, but you can totally tell the difference from that one to this one. Like, this is nice. Like the low end torque, I can tell the difference majorly. Shifting feels better. The throttle feels better. The sounds better. It all sounds like super nice. So I would suggest, if anybody feels like they need to get their damn chain done but they don't want to, I think you should do it. I think it's well worth whatever money that it is that you're going to be paying. I think it's well worth it, to be honest. Well worth the money. 100%. If only I could test it, but I can't because there's so much damn traffic. I would hella test it right now. Test out my new chain and sprockets, guys. Oh, I read a Harley. So I'm an asshole. Splitting be legalized across the United States. I have no idea how bad I just want to go that way. Like, it's so fucking hot. I just want to go right straight ahead, right here. I feel like I have to shift more. Like opposite, more higher power at the beginning, you wouldn't have to shift as much, you would think. I feel like I have to shift more. Like, I feel like my bike needs to be shifted, like right now, and I'm only at 7,000 RPMs. That's weird. But so far away. Anyways, guys, Vortex down 1, up 2, chain and sprocket kits. As of now, I would say do it. I think it's a great brand. I've always heard such good things about Vortex, and I can understand why. I think it's gonna do well for me, this chain and sprocket kit. So I like it. I would say, why not? I would definitely say do it. I can feel the power difference for sure. So much more quiet. It's nice. I am really curious though about what other types of chain and sprocket kits there are that I don't really know about. It'd be nice to know. I'd love to look up some videos and see how they are. I'm hoping this one does wonders for me. I'm so glad I got it done, man. It needed to be done. My chain was so loose, so rusted. The dude absolutely did not take care of it, man. It's crazy how some people just don't take care of their bikes. Like, you daily ride this thing, you know, if you're me, you daily ride it, why would you not want to save gas? Like, you daily ride this and you don't even clean your chain, you don't wax it, you know, you don't do anything to your chain. Like, that's amazing. You got to take care of your toys, otherwise why do you even have toys? There's no point. If you can't take care of them and they're just gonna go to shit, why do you even have them? That's what I feel like I've always learned anyways, is you got to take care of your shit. Get off your, oh, he's pulling out a cigarette. Get off your phone, bud. Smoke your cancer away, bud. Smoke your tobacco. You can tell the throttle difference. I mean, like, that's crazy. Just that little gives me that push. It was not like that before. So it's a good change. I don't like the fact that I feel like I have to constantly shift though. Like, that's really bugging me. Like, I have a lot of vibration in my handlebars. I don't like that at all. I don't like vibration in handlebars. It really bugs the hell out of me. I know I need some new grips, like some anti-vibrating grips, but other than that, I think it's just from the new chain and sprocket kit. Like, I don't remember feeling, unless I'm just super hot and my hands are just melting through these gloves right now, like, I don't ever remember that much vibration in the handlebar, so it's kind of driving me insane. Or that I feel like I have to constantly shift. Like, that sounds like it's at like 12,000 RPMs right now, and I'm only going 26 miles an hour, and I'm at 6,000. Strange. Other than that, I mean, those are really my cons. I feel like I have to shift more, and my handlebars feel way more vibration. There's way more vibration in my handlebars. Oh my god, visor up. People are just slow. This is exactly why I hate Utah drivers. Like, look at this. You have the speed limit's okay. I'm going like 5 over, but you have a 7 car length in front of you, and you're going that slow. Like, what the fuck is your problem? I feel like my speedometer's off too. I feel like the chain definitely threw my speedometer off. I wonder if it reads by your chain. What the fuck are you doing, dude? What a joke. Are you serious? I don't even want to be behind you right now, let alone in front of you here in a second. What the fuck were you doing, dude? God, and what is this guy doing? People amaze me. Apparently that was 120. My speedometer's off. I know it is. 7 or 8 over. So whatever it just said 124, I bet you I was doing like 116. There's no way I'm going 24 right now. Well, to be honest, guys, I don't have much more to say. I mean, Vortex Chain and Sprocket kit, it's a great kit for anybody looking to get a new chain and sprocket kit. The 1 down 2 up, a lot more low end torque. I feel like it honestly gives you more power. Could be wrong, but I feel like it does. Only cons I think I could say is my handlebars seem a little bit more vibration to them. My handlebars seem as if they have a little bit more vibration than they did before. And I feel like I'm shifting more. And I don't know if that's just me and it's in my head or if I'm accurate. So, other than that, that is sort of my review. So, appreciate you guys for watching. Please give a like and a comment. Please sub. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of chain and sprocket kits you guys have, because it'd be nice to know what's out there. Oh yeah, it's pushing stuff all over. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.